the heart of the GTS trim is Porsche's twin-turbocharged 3-liter inline-six engine that produces 473 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. That's 30 horsepower more than the Carrera S and 23 horsepower more than the previous 911 GTS. The engine pairs with either the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic or the 7-speed manual. Porsche shortened the manual shifter by 10 mm for quicker shifts. As ever, the 992 generation GTS might prove to be the best all-round 911 there is. The GTS, a staple of the 911 range for the last 12 years, is back in the latest 992 generation 911 lineup. Even though the 2022 911 GTS isn't a GT department product and is just a part of the regular 911 family, the GTS has proven to be the best all-around 911 for more than a decade now. With the help of some unique tweaks, the 992 generation GTS looks to keep that tradition alive and well. The mighty 911 Turbo's braking system has been adapted to the new GTS, too, and prospective buyers can opt for a new lightweighting package that can save up to 55 pounds. It swaps in carbon fiber bucket seats, lightweight glass for the rear and side windows, and a lightweight battery to shave those pounds. Oh, you also lose the rear seats, but you get some fancy aerodynamic paneling on the underside of the car in return.